Hi guys, I'm Talia and today I'm going to show you how to do a green eyeliner look. First I'm going to prime my eyelids. I am using a concealer but you can use a primer. Make sure you get all over your eyelid. Now I'm going to use a nude eyeshadow to dust across my eyelid. Using a darker shade, I'm going to apply the eyeshadow to my eyelid. Next, I'm going to apply a green eyeliner to my waterline. It doesn't have to be neat, you can go underneath, it just intensifies the green. Using a green eyeshadow, I'm going to apply this underneath my eye to intensify the look. For a smudged look, make sure you blend the eyeshadow and the eyeliner together. So next up is mascara. I'm going to apply this on my top lashes and bottom. You can really layer the mascara up just for a more dramatic look. To finish this look, I'm going to apply some lashes. If you would like to see more tutorials, subscribe below.